Hi friends, today I'll show you how to create this cute raw braided updo. This is perfect for those hot summer days. We will start by making a central parting. Then I'll select these two sections from both sides and we'll begin with one of those sections. We will select a section of hair from the top from one side of our parting, divide it into two, and you want to bring front section over the back one. Then we want to add more hair to the front section and bring it back. So basically this is a raw braid. You add hair to the front section and bring it back. So you want to continue the steps until reaching your ear level, or you have no more hair to add from that section that we selected before. And we want to finish with a simple raw braid, meaning you twist each strand one way and then you cross it around each other opposite way. So at this point you want to pull a little bit of braid like I'm showing to make it voluminous and looking beautiful from the front, and then you want to pin this braid away for later. And you want to repeat on other side. Again, you select a small section of hair from the top, divide it into two and bring front section back, and then adding hair to the front section, you twist it back again. And again, you add hair to the front section and bring it back. So you want to continue until you reach your ear level and finish with a raw braid. You twist each strand one way and then you twist it around each other opposite way. Then you want to bring these braids together in the back and tie them with a clear elastic, like so. Now grab a section of hair from one side, brush it well and bring it through our braids like I'm showing, and repeat on opposite side. Now, grabbing your section left, you want to brush it, bring it up a little bit and tie it with a clear elastic like I'm showing, and bring your ends and this section into your created updo like I'm showing to hide the ends. Make sure everything is nice and beautiful. You want to use some bobby pins if needed to fix it in place. Use some hairspray if needed, of course, too. And you're basically done, guys. This is so easy. I really recommend you to try it, and please come back and let me know your thoughts about it. But that's it for today, and love you so much and see you soon in my next one. Mwah! Bye.